Good day, students. Today we will start with our revision of lesson number 5, multiplication. So let us start now. Now we will start with the revision of our lesson number 5, multiplication. Today we will do the revision. Now here, carry out the following multiplication. Now this we have already finished, but today we will be doing the revision. Now here, what is the question given? 600 multiplied by 30. Do you remember how we have done this? 600 multiplied by 30. What we have to do? Directly we can multiply 6 by 3. 6 multiplied by 3 is how much? 6 3s is 80. And after getting this answer, we will add all the zeros together. How many zeros are there in 30? 1, 2, 3. We will add 3 zeros after the product. So our answer is how much? 18,000. This is our answer. So we will write here 18,000. Here what you have to do? You can directly multiply the number and the zeros you can add afterwards. See, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 and 1 zero from 30 and 2 zeros from 600. That is total 3 zeros. In this way you can do it directly. Now let us see the second one. 7h multiplied by 2. 7h multiplied by 2 is how much? 7 2s is 40 and this h will come down here. How we will write? 40. How many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros. We will add after the product. So what is our answer here? 1400. 1400. Directly you can multiply 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 and this h will come down as it is. 14 we will write, and for h 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there for 100, so we will add 2 zeros after the product. Now let us multiply. 367 multiplied by 5. Do you remember how we multiplied this? What we have done? First we need to expand the number. 367, how we write 367 in expanded form? 300 plus 60 plus 7. In this way we expand the number. 367 is equals to 300 plus 60 plus 7. And for 5 is already a single digit number, therefore we need not to expand. Now how we multiply this? Using the lattice method. So we need to draw the table. In this way we will draw the table. What is the first number here? 367. How we have expanded? 300 plus 60 plus 7. So in the first box what we will write? 300. Second is 60. Third is 7. And in this box what will come? The sign of multiplication. 367 is multiplied by what? 5. So this 5 we will write down here. Now what is the next step? First we will multiply 5 by 300. So let us multiply. 300 multiplied by 5 is how much? 5 3s is 50 and 2 zeros of 100. So what will write here? 1500. 5 multiplied by 60 is how much? 5 6 is 30 and 1 zero of 60. So 5 multiplied by 60 is how much? 300. 5 multiplied by 7 is how much? 7 5 is 35. Now this three answers what we have got after multiplying, we will add together. What is the first here? 1500. What is the second? 300 plus 35. Now all these three numbers we will add together. Let us see from the unit place. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Tens place 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8, and 1 will come down as it is. Now let us see the next sum. 627 multiplied by 8. What we will do? First we will write 627 in expanded form. How we write 627 in expanded form? 600 plus 20 plus 7, and 8 is already single digit number, so we will not expand the number. Now we will draw the table. In this manner we will draw the table. In the first box we will what will come? The sign of multiplication. Then the numbers which we have expanded we will write down in this table. First is 600, next is 20, third one is 7. It is multiplied by what? 8. 8 will come down under the sign of multiplication. Now first what we will do? 8 we will multiply by 600. What is 8 6 is? 48, and 2 zeros of 600. 8 multiplied by 20 is how much? 160. 8 7 is how much? 56. Now these three numbers which we have got, these three numbers we will add together. What is our first number? 4800. What is the second number? 160 plus what is the third number? 56. All these three numbers we will add together. That will be our answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is how much? 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 1, and 1 will carry over to the other number. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 will write here, and 1 will carry over to the next number. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. So this is our final answer. 5016. Now let us see multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. First one, 407 multiplied by 55. What we will do? First we will expand the number. 407, how we expand? 400 plus 0 plus 7. And how we will write 55? 50 plus 5. What is the next step? We will draw the table. In this manner we will draw the table. In the first box what will come? Sign of multiplication. Then 400 we will write in the first box. Second is 0. And the next is 7. Now here what we will write? 55. But how we have written 55? 50 plus 5. Then what you will write here? 50 and the 5. The next box. What is the next step? First we will multiply 50 by 400. 5 fours is 20, and 2 zeros of 400 and 1 zero of 50. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 zeros. 50 multiplied by 0 is how much? 0. 50 multiplied by 7 is how much? 7 5 is 35. and 1 0 of 50. Now what we will do? 5 we will multiply by 400. 5 4s is 20 and 2 0 of 100. These 2 zeros of 100. Next 5 multiplied 0 is how much? 5 zeros is 0. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Now all these 6 numbers which we have got by multiplying we will add together. These 6 numbers we will add together, then we will get our answer. Let us see from here. What is the first number? See, 20,000. 20,000. Then we have 2,000. Plus 0 plus 0 plus 350. 350 plus 35 plus 35. All these 6 numbers we will add together. Let us see from the unit place. 0 plus 0 0 0 0. 0 plus 5 is how much? 5. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is how much? 3. 0 plus 2 is how much? 2, and this 2 will come down as it is. So, what is our answer? 22,385. Let us see the next sum. 953 multiplied by 38. How we write 953 in the expanded form? 900 plus 50 plus 3, and 38 how we will write in expanded form? 30 plus 8. Now what is our next step? We will draw the table. In this manner, we need to draw the table. What will come here? The sign of multiplication. Now we will write down this number in this table. How we have expanded 953? 900 we will write in the first box. Then second is 50. Next is 3. Now this 38 we will write down here. How we have expanded 30 plus 8. So here what we will write? 30 and 8. Now we will multiply 30 by 900 first. 3 9s is 27, 2 zeros of 900 and 1 zero of 30. So how many zeros total? 3 zeros. Now we will multiply 30 multiplied by 50. 3 5s is 50, 1 zero of 50 and 1 zero of 30. Now 30 will be multiplied by 3. 30 multiplied by 3 is how much? 90. Now 8 will be multiplied by 900. 8 9s is how much? 72 and the 2 zeros of 900. Now 8 will be multiplied by 50. 8 5s is how much? 40 and 1 zero of 50. 8 multiplied by 3 is how much? 8 3s is 24. Now all these 6 answers we will add together. What is our first number? 27,000. 27,000 plus 7,200 plus 7,200. We have finished this too. Now the second box. 1,500 plus 1,500 plus 400 plus 90 plus 24. All these 6 numbers we will add together. Let us start from the unit place. 0 plus 0 0 0 0 and 0 plus 4 is how much? 4. 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 will write here and 1 we will carry to the next number. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is how much? 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 12. 2 we will write here and 1 we will carry over to the next number. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 7 is how much? 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. 6 we will write here and 1 we will carry to the next number. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So what is our answer? 36,240. This is our final answer.
Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.